And I'm going to show you guys how to tie a good knot, alright? This one's for fishing. I'm going to tie this fluorocarbon to this one. This braid. I take these two. Take this one. Put it like that. And take this one. Slip it through. And it's a downward spin. Do that 10 times. You take that line, push it the same way. You got it. Pull it out. Then you wet all this line, and then grab the tag ends. You hold them. Pull it all together. And pull those lines tight. There you go. Then you clip these ends. This one and this one. And then it's a good knot for that. Then you put your hook on this end, and then the fish can't see whatever line you're using. Alright, this is Temu line, by the way. So if you want cheap line, it's QC inspected too. Like, I don't know, it's pretty good. See, QC inspected. This past sticker was on this one. So if you guys want good cheap line and you're not going on Temu, I don't know, maybe you should go on Temu. Just saying. I'm not sponsored. Just saying, Temu's good. Even this one, this is Temu. See that? Boom, Temu, peace.